There you go, like
On
a
your
northbound
blank sheet of paper, everybody
mixed
has a blank
freight.
paper.
Or actually, that's a gravel train.
Here we go. On your blank piece of paper, make sure you put your name on it because you're going to turn it in.
I think it's going by like right now.
What you're going to do.
God damn.
I know, I hate them. Those videos are always so loud in the beginning. You're going to write a paragraph using all of these words. You have to include all of these words.
Yeah, I think that's the gravel train right there.
That lady used all of them.
She did.
All of them?
She
I did
did.
not hear any of that.
When you use the word, make sure you underline it to show me you used it or highlight it. Is there anyone who
Where do we
wants to highlight
underline it?
when you're writing your paragraph? So you're writing
He's
your
going
paragraph.
quick.
What was the YouTube video called?
It's amoeba.
He is going really quick.
Probably not.
Not like that.
A-M-O-E-B-A. Marshall, sisters, and then do DNA structure. Is there anyone, you have to skip though, Steven, because I like cut the video down to like only a clip. So you gotta skip to that part. Okay. It's also on the slideshow.
Oh, yep.
So if you have Blend open, it's on the
There it goes.
slideshow that I put on.
Well, y'all know is the Union Pacific and northbound
The video is
grain
like I
or
embed the video on that.
gravel train.
Yeah. No, not the answer.
Uh,
Is there anyone
It's
who
called a
wants
rock train.
highlighter so they can highlight their words
Well,
as
y'all,
they write
we'll
them?
be guys at beginning in a little bit.